Good day guys, welcome to another Testnet tutorial video. So today I'll be sharing the full guide of how to go about the Mango testnets, how to surf around, get testnet tokens, participate in on-chain activities. Now I will drop a link which will direct you to the Twitter handle. I've dropped a complete thread on how to go about Mango testnet. For the sake of time's sake, I want to make this video as short as possible. So I'll be tackling only the most important parts of this Mango testnet activity. So first off, on the thread, we have the first task, which is to get your Mango testnet wallet. So the first link indicated in that particular step is to download the Mango testnet wallet. Once you download your Mango testnet wallet, you have to create a new wallet and save the seed phrase. Once you're done with creating a new wallet and saving the seed phrase, your Mango testnet wallet should be like this. Yes, this is how it should look like. So after this, the next thing we're going to do in the step, the guide, is to visit the Mango Testnet's website and link our socials to the website. So once you click the link indicated in the thread for the step two, you'll be directed to the Mango Testnet's site. Now on this site, you will scroll down. Okay, you'll be directed to the home page. Now on this home page, you're going to look for these icons here. So the first thing you're going to do to get started is to connect your wallet, of course, which is your Mango Testnet wallet you have just created. After that, you have to follow Mango on Twitter. After following Mango on Twitter, you join their Discord community. Now, why the icon is pale white like this is because I've done the task and I can't redo it again. So once you're done with this task, you will join the Discord community. Once you join the Discord community, a verified icon will pop up here. You click verify and you've been verified. It will show this pale white color. Then the last task is to join their Discord group. So when you're done with joining their Discord group, this will turn pale. You scroll down, then you click join now. Now once you click join now, you will have to connect your wallet, which is on above here. Connect your wallet, your Mango Testnet wallet, to this site. Now, after connecting your Testnet wallet, you will go to events. Now, this is the main tutorial. This is what you need to know about Mango Testnet. This is the main thing. So, I'm going to be sharing you guys how to navigate through these particular steps. So, when you scroll down, you will see some tasks, which are about five. Now, all these five tasks give you amount of points, certain amount of points, depending on how consecutive and how many times you perform the task. Now, when you perform one particular task for a day, you get 3 points for the mango swap. For the mango bridge, when you perform the task a day, you get 10 points. Now, if eventually you should complete the mango swap, the bridge swap, bean deck swap, each of them for 5 consecutive days, you'll be getting 30 points on the fifth day you checked in. Yes, you'll be getting 30 points on the fifth day you checked in. So I'll be taking you guys on how to navigate through these five tasks. Now, before we navigate through these five tasks, you need faucet tokens. Faucet tokens are the tokens you will need on the to perform on-chain transactions on this task. Now, there are two methods of getting this faucet token. Is either you get it on the wallet or you get it on the Discord channel server. So when you go to your wallet icon, you will see this particular button which says claim faucet. So you just click it. Once you click it, if it should give you an error code just like it gave me now, you know that the server is overloaded or the server is having a having a server issue. So that brings us to the next option. So if this doesn't work, you go to the Discord server. So while the Discord server is loading, let's move through some of the tasks that we're going to be performing. So the first task we're going to be performing is the mango swap. So what you just need to do is, you see this M icon here, you click it. Now once you click the icon, you scroll up. Now you're going to be seeing these particular steps. So these are the transactions you need to perform for you to get 3 points on this particular task. So now, the first task indicates we should swap Mango back to USDT. Mango, which is the testnet token, we'll be getting. So let me check if the Discord is loaded up now. Okay, the Discord is loaded up now. So first of all, what we need to do is to get verified on Discord, obviously. So for you to get verified, once you click the verified icon on the Twitter thread, which is on the third step, as you can see here, get faucet, visit Mango Discord. This is the Mango Discord. Verify, go to Mango Faucet Testnet Faucet channel, type at Mango Faucet, then the Mango wallet address, and send. So basically, all those stuff written there is simply this. Now, first of all, you verify. Now, verification, you just click verify. You click this icon. Now, once you click the icon and click verify, another message will appear below, telling you to accept the rules and regulations of the channel or the server. Once you click check, another icon will pop up telling you to input the numbers that is being displayed, just like a verification step. So you just input those numbers that are displayed above that particular icon that will be shown on this verification channel. Once you input the numbers correctly, the Discord server will be open to you, which you will now be able to see all these sections. So the section we are prioritizing on now is the Mango Faucet section. So on this section, what you need to do is, once you're here, you go to your wallet. Now you copy your wallet address. This here is your wallet address. This is your wallet address for Mango Testnet. So what you just do is you click this copy icon. Once you click the copy icon, you go to the Discord. Once you're on the Discord, so when we're here, what you do is you just click this particular section. Once you've been verified in the channel, you come to the Mango Faucet. You click this particular section. Then what you're going to insert is at MGO. Once you click at MGO, you look up this MGO faucet, you click it. Now, once you click the MGO faucet, the next thing you do is just to paste that wallet address you copied from the testnet wallet. So you click paste. So once you have pasted the wallet, you click enter. Now, because I have claimed some tokens today, I won't be able to claim again because it's per day. So every 12 hours is when your opportunity to claim testnet tokens from this particular faucet on their Discord. So if I should click it, it's not going to go through because I have claimed already. So you see, it's vibrating. So I can't claim till the next 12 hours. So for you, once you come to this particular um once you come to this particular background, what you're going to do is just click exactly what you see I've clicked, then you get your testnet tokens. So when you go to your wallet, your testnet tokens should arrive on your wallet seamlessly. So that's how to claim the testnet tokens from using the faucet and using the Discord server. So we'll go to the steps now. So we are going to perform these first three steps, this first step, then this, then the last step for this particular task. So we have to click go to do task. So when go to do task, while it's loading, we'll have a look at what we are going to do. Swap MGO back to USDT. So we're going to be swapping MGO back to USDT. Okay, I have this popped up already. Let me close this particular bar. So what we're going to do is we select MGO here. Then the next thing we'll select is USDT. So I've selected MGO, we've selected USDT. We're swapping MGO to USDT. So let me be selecting an amount. So I'll be swapping 0.1 MGO. So the balance should pop up in USDT. Yes, there's the balance. So just click submit. Wait for the transaction to load. Then we click approve. Now we have successful. So the transaction has gone through. So all we need to do now is we go back to that particular task. This submit we are looking at here, you click it. You click the submit. Now this synchronizing option should come up. So you allow it to synchronize. So we perform the next task, which is to exchange USDT back to MAI. So we go back to that section. So now we're swapping USDT to MAI. So for this, I'll be swapping on my USDT, choose max. Then the balance for USDT to MAI will allow it to load. Ignore the insufficient pool balance, it's just server issues. So just wait while the MAI loads up. Okay, now it has loaded up. So all we need to do is just we submit this transaction. We click submit. Now we approve the task, the transaction. Success. So we go back, the same procedure we did for this, we do it for this, we click submit, and I'll allow it to synchronize. So we perform the last task, which is to use the obtain MIA and exchange it back for USDT. So we go back to that section. Now we're going to be converting MAI back to USDT. So we just use this arrow up and arrow down to switch. So now MAI is above and USDT is below. So we click max and wait for the balance to pop up for USDT. So the balance has shown for USDT. So the next thing we do is to submit the transaction. This might take some time because of the amount of people performing tasks on this server. So we just give it some minutes, at least above 2 to 3 minutes for it to load up. Okay, it has loaded up. Now we go to approve, wait for the approve button to pop up. Now the approve icon has popped up. We click approve and wait for the transaction to go through. We're still waiting for the transaction to load. So meanwhile, while we're waiting for the transaction to load, when you are done with this particular section, you go back to this section to check if the transactions have completed. So for you to check this, is either you refresh the system, refresh the site. When you refresh the site, the particular task you have synchronized and performed, should now indicate a completed icon. But if they don't indicate completed, don't worry, they will. Like I said, the network on the server or the testnet website sometimes lags due to overload or different people performing the same task at the same time. So we'll just give it some couple of seconds to just complete or confirm. So this is still loading. I think I'm going to cancel the transaction and start it again. So I'm going to cancel the transaction. So I'm going to be selecting it again, max, and submitting the transaction again. So hopefully it should work this time. These are some of the issues you face when on the Mango testnet due to the amount of people trying to perform the same task at the same time. So just give it some few seconds and wait for the transaction to be approved. So after this particular transaction has been approved, I'm going to be making another video for the next for other tasks because I can see now it's time consuming. So what I'm going to do is after this, I'll be making another video. So do well to subscribe to this channel. After subscribing to this channel, turn on the notification icon to get notified when the other video will be available, and also comment under this video what you have been experiencing or what you're experiencing about this particular testnet. Let me click approve, and some things you feel I should add for you and other members, or anywhere you feel you're confused, also indicate in the comment section. I will do my best to clear the air on the particular section. So we're still waiting for the transaction to be approved. Let's give it some couple of minutes. Okay, successful. The transaction has been successful. So as you can see, my USDT has been swapped back. So I'm just going to go back to the Mango. Oh, you see, now they have been completed. Like just like I said, just give it time. So this last one, we click the submit section, then we'll allow it to synchronize. Then after synchronizing, it should click completed. Now once the three tasks have been completed, you're going to be seeing 3 points donated to your balance. 3 points will be added to your balance. Yes, this particular place on the event section, 3 points will be added to your balance. So that's all for this video, guys. Do well to check in for more videos, and hopefully I'll make other videos quick, fast, and easier rather. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Have a wonderful day.